In this video, I will show you how to attach files to an email in Gmail. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, as you can see, we're currently here logged into my Gmail account. The first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the left hand side and click onto the compose button. So what that's going to do is start you off with your new message. At this point you can go ahead and create your email. As you can see, I've now added my email bit, so I've created my message and chose my recipient. And once you've done that, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and click onto this paperclip icon. As you can see, it says attach file, so give that a click. What that's going to do is open up your file explorer, and from here you can choose the file that you want to attach. So what I'm going to do is just attach a picture, so I'm just going to double click to attach. As you can see, that's currently uploading, and once that's finished, all you need to do is simply click onto the send button. So that's how to attach files to an email in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.